The marble relief sculpture depicts a Greek myth called the Battle of the Lapiths and the Centaurs. Lapiths were humans, and centaurs are these mythological creatures that are half men and half horse. And the story goes that the human tribe was celebrating a wedding, and they invited this nearby tribe of centaurs who drank a little too much, who got a little rowdy, and things completely degenerated when the centaurs tried to steal away the human bride. That is the story that Michelangelo is supposed to be depicting in this scene. Now, does anyone notice anything that would indicate the presence of a centaur? It's there, but you have to look really hard. Just down below, something that looks remotely like a horse hiney. And coming off of it, you have something that looks like a hoof. How about the bride that they're trying to steal away? Right? Well, this figure here who looks like she has a ponytail coming off of her head. Because otherwise, what you have here is an excuse to showcase this male nude form. And in fact, already at a very early age, right, Michelangelo only 17 when he carved this, what we see is an artist obsessed with one thing in his artwork, and that was the male nude form.